Before we finish, I would just like, I know many people are worried about our people, Filipino nationals in Gaza, in Israel, in the middle of the war. At saka dumating ang balita sa atin na yung mga nasa Gaza hindi pinapalabas pa sa Rafah crossing. And nagtatakang iba bakit nga hindi. Well, it is unfortunately completely out of our hands. We have no control over this. It is between the Israelis and the Palestinians. There is also a complication because some of the Filipino nationals, mga babae na may napangasawa na ng Palestinian. Hindi pinapalabas yung Palestinian. So many of them are undecided kung gusto nilang umalis o hindi. Dahil siyempre ayaw naman nilang iwanan ng asawa nila, ayaw nilang iwanan yung kanilang anak. So these are the problems that we are facing. However, I've asked the Secretary Ricky Manalo to make the Ambassador Ilan Flus, and of course he has been able to get in touch with the Foreign Minister of Israel, and our Ambassador Juni Lailo, was able to see the President yesterday. The President of Israel yesterday. So may pangako sila sa atin na maipapalabas na ang mga Pinoy, ang mga Pilipino, maipapalabas na by today or tomorrow. That is what they promised us. Saturday daw at the latest. So that's what nakahanda naman lahat ng ating mga bus, nakahanda na yung mga embassy natin sa Cairo, nandun lang sila, matagal na sila nag-aantay dun sa tawiran, yung Rafah crossing. And they are ready for when the time comes na tumawid na ang mga Pinoy, dadalhin at pauwi. We have also offered our assistance to other ASEAN countries. Maraming Thai, may mga Vietnamese, meron mga iba't iba. So sabi namin kung sino mauna, magtulungan na lang tayo. And it looks like we are the ones there first because ang presence naman ng Pinoy in the area is much higher than the others. So that is the latest news that I received today, early this morning from our Secretary of the DFA. And sana naman matutuo na para mailabas na natin lahat ng gustong lumabas and bring them back home to safety.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.